Did you know that most people only realize the true value of water when it starts coming out of the faucet? What if I told you there's a simple, affordable, and proven way to produce your own drinking water right from home without relying on anyone? Today, I'm going to show you how Joseph's Well works, a step-by-step video guide that's helping thousands of people achieve real water security, whether they live in the city, the suburbs, or out in the countryside. If you care about your independence, your family's future, or even just want to save money, stick with me until the end, because this could change the way you see water forever. Oh, and one important note. The link to the official Joseph's Well website is right here in the video description. Make sure to access it only through there to claim all the bonuses and the exclusive guarantee. Joseph's Well is much more than just a manual. It's a detailed, hands-on video guide that literally walks you through the entire process of building your own personal water generator from start to finish. And it doesn't matter whether you live in an apartment, a house, a rural area, or even up in the mountains. With this step-by-step guide, anyone can set up the system in just a few hours. Everything is explained in plain language with clear visuals and no technical knowledge required. Can you imagine having clean water always available without relying on the public supply or expensive water deliveries? And there's more. When you get the full Joseph's Well guide today, you'll also receive 3 exclusive bonus guides. Each of these resources was designed to help you go even further when it comes to water security. Without giving away too much, one of the bonuses reveals a powerful strategy to store and preserve water for long periods, something absolutely essential in times of crisis. These extra materials perfectly complement the main guide, making Joseph's Well a truly complete solution. Thousands of people have already tried it, and they're amazed by the results. Entire families who used to live in fear of water shortages now sleep peacefully, knowing they have their own system running 24/7. And if you're still unsure, know that Joseph's Well comes with an exclusive guarantee. That means you can try it with zero risk. If you're not satisfied, you can request a full refund. It's that simple. If you want freedom, self-reliance, and security for your family, now is the time. Click the link to the official website in the video description, secure your access to Joseph's Well, and start building your water independence today. And if this content helped you in any way, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs this information too. Because water security is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity.